Hello, today we're cleaning off a dumbass disc called GTA. Let's start. So, some kid told us to wash it off very hard with water. So, we're going to try that for the second time. Good. Real wet, real soggy, real soggy, real soggy. Now you're just going to put a whole shitload of soap on it. Why you need some more soap? Get some more soap. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that shit. Now, tells you to just really scrub that shit. Scrub it. Ouch. We're gonna scrub it for a long time because we need this to fucking work.
What's that?
Soap. Dumbass soap.
No, what'd you say before that?
Dumbass soap? Oh, a dumbass disc. What?
We're gonna scrub it for what?
For a while?
Why?
Because it needs to fucking work. Gotta fucking work, man. Ah, fuck.
What are you doing?
Okay. Got my scars.
So why are you scrubbing this for so long?
It's gonna fucking work. Trust me on this shit. You know what he's doing.
Wait, what?
I know what I'm fucking doing. Okay, now, the third step coming from a dumbass is to do this.
Oh, let's try to scrub it off, guys. Hey, let's try to scrub it off. Good idea. Try to scrub that shit off. Just gonna scrub it off. Scrub it off. Scrub it off. Scrub it off. Scrub it off.
Oh yeah, just scrub that shit right off.
You know this is going on YouTube, right?
Yep, it is. What? Yeah, oh yeah, YouTube account. Yeah, let's see if the dumbass actually knows what he's talking about. You might want to skip to, what's the time? What's the fucking time?
Almost 4 minutes.
Okay. 4 minutes of dumb shit. Let's go. Now, what's that? Fucking clean that shit off. My recommendation is not to go as hard as I am right now, because I might break. I'm being fucking serious. I want to fucking talk to this kid. I really do. I want to ask if he has mental problems. Okay. Tell me. Does that look better at all? Tell me that. Look at that shit. Looks like shit. Just go fucking off that shit.
Oh my god. Can't fucking breathe.
Step 5, insert it in the fucking Xbox. Step 6, watch it as it doesn't fucking work. Wait for it. Let's wait until it actually pops up. Just waiting for it now. What are we up to, step 6? Step 6. Watch it not work and watch the Xbox sound go from high to low. Like a dumbass. Just wait now. Might as well just wait.
It's not working.
Okay? Give it a minute. Give it a fucking minute. Sorry. Oh wow. The color of the screen changed. I wonder what that'll fucking do. Let's see how many friends he has online. Oh wait, we can't check cause it's fucking retarded. No, it doesn't fucking work. Look. Nothing. Nothing. Step 7. Take it out of the stupid fucking Xbox. Step 8. Fucking chuck it. Hey. Look, ready? Now, play Kanjan. We're all good. See how it looks now. Wow, that looks really good.